Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're shopping on AliExpress using the mobile app and want to see prices in your local currency, this video is for you. I'll guide you step by step to change the currency settings on the Android version of the AliExpress app easily and correctly. First, open the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Now, click the settings icon located at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Currency. A list of currencies will appear. Choose your preferred currency from the list. If your country's currency isn't listed, go back to the Settings menu. Tap on Ship To. Select your actual country from the list and confirm. Now return to the currency settings. You should now find your local currency available. Select it and you're done. All product prices will now be shown in your selected currency. That's it. You've successfully changed the currency in your AliExpress app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more useful tips.